Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your account, two-factor authentication, and that you have enough quota. This prevents mid-upload failures. Once done, collect the files you intend to upload and standardize file names so sync conflicts are rare. Next, open the cloud provider's app or web client and sign in. Make sure the desktop client is allowed to sync in settings, then navigate to or create the exact target folder where you want these files to live. Now upload using drag and drop or the upload button. For large files, choose chunked or multi-part upload to reduce retransmission on failure. While uploading, enable client-side encryption if privacy is required, and decide share permissions up front so you don't expose content inadvertently. Keep an eye on progress indicators and bandwidth limits. If your network drops, pause and resume or retry the failed chunks. Finally, verify file integrity with checksums or the provider's version history to ensure a clean transfer. When uploads complete, immediately verify by opening several files and checking timestamps and sizes. This confirms success. Once verified, configure sharing links, expiration, and retention so access and backups behave as intended. If something goes wrong, first review the client's sync queue and logs, test your network, and check for storage quota or permission errors. Then reupload any corrupted parts or use the provider's repair/restore tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.